Sanbona. So first of all, before I just start with this video, I just wanna say I've been noticing on my videos I haven't been greeting you all. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to actually greet you all because I just step in and then out of excitement and then just and since we Sunday, I hope you all went to church and yeah, uNkulunkulu bless and also nibe na any blessing na game ukuthi first of all before I continue subscribing and stuff. So yeah, today we're gonna be speaking about this game. Orlando Pirates won 3 and then Chippa United they got 0. They've been doing bad since the season level from the start of their game available into Chippa United. I just wanna say good somehow they just respect team, and also I'm gonna see I don't know if they respect the so-called big teams, not so-called big team, they actually big teams because they've played already against Mamelodi Sundowns and also they have played against Orlando Pirates. And on Mamelodi Sundowns, which was one, I think it was their first video actually analyzed on this channel, they were actually seemed like they didn't want to play even though they had opportunities about not an yeah, even though they had an opportunity to actually be on the game, but they didn't decide to be on the game. And then also against Pirates, they were just not at the game at all. They were just making so many mistakes at the back. They were trying to build, but Baba was a builder. And also I just believe it is a thing which there are different coaches and stuff that's actually introduced. There is an interim that is over corner, assistant coach is a step up coach, and then there's another coach that is employed, and then there were just rumors again that one of technical staff Babu Nabi was supposed to be coaching them. Also, there's just a lot that's actually happening with Chupa United, and as about somebody not who grew up in Eastern Cape because I'm from Ejozi, but my dad is originally from Eastern Cape, so my homeland it is actually upper end Eastern Cape so and as one of the only one team available that we have here is Eastern Cape. We don't actually want as Xhosa Nation to actually see it about into iphela because it is the only team that is actually representing us with PSL, and if it is not actually doing well, I wonder about Mayama teams while Eastern Cape which are playing the NFT available. How are they actually gonna get emotive because they're just supposed to be the big pro of Indo? So I just hope everything is gonna be sorted down. And then another thing, I believe this is the first match where we've actually seen a big margin on the league out of the top big 3 teams in here in South Africa, because I think the only biggest score as a correlate so far it is only besides le yanamhlanje le 3-0 vele but before this one it was I think only 2-0. I think Kaizer Chiefs won 2-0 against Stellenbosch, and then I'm not sure about Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, I'm not sure about Mamelodi Sundowns, but correct me if you're actually thinking I'm wrong. So yeah, man, on this game, Chippa United, they were making a lot of mistakes, and Orlando Pirates, they were just, I believe it was they could have scored many goals. I even had a coach available, Makpela level image on the post, not on the post conference window. Am I saying the right thing? Yeah, whatever. We say Makpela available image, my interview available after a match, and then I was speaking about because the boys they are not actually killing the game, and I believe it was obviously they were supposed to actually kill the game. But after they scored 3 goals, they were nah, my available. We just gonna give entertainment with my friends and stuff now, which is something also love is my friends, because I always will love as a coach you want goals available, but as South African football fans, maybe let me not be okay. I think I'm being subjective, let me be objective. Maybe some of the fans Bayanto. I don't okay, let me just say all of y'all comment down below. But speaking of commenting, guys, you all don't comment. There'll get a couple of people here and there commenting, but we're getting their views. And then also please by faith like the video because it's gonna share my videos with other people so all of us can just share this journey so yeah, Pirates could have scored more goals, and then also there was a penalty that was occurred today Lelela Mr. Tito on top of that. So me, I'm just gonna set this thing out and clear. Lento lokuthi ayikho like i-VAR, I believe ukuthi like besides ukuthi like now big teams are benefiting because there won't be a lot of noise available when big teams are benefiting. But when like one of us loses about Kaizer Chiefs, Pirates in it will be like that is when abantu bazobe baphinde bring it up again, because the same penalty, I think it was almost the same thing lento enzeka like uPeter Shalulile izolo yabo angakangeni eboxini then it was penalty, but leya today kaMakgopa, who was kind of like emuva vele yabo kanto emuva he was kind of okay. So he was a little bit like far vele than the one vele kaShalulile izolo, and then that was into like a penalty. So yeah, I really at this point I'm not even gonna be like mad about ukuthi nah penalty wara in yabo, because either way, like let's say South Africa, they spoke about like ukuthi like VAR will be corner at the end of May. I don't know what actually happened, so I believe that issue supposed to be fixed, because like his Bulalisa like in the league, because the way right now also like the way leaking is setting a corner, but it seems like it will be an interesting season. And njengoba interesting season, maybe we'll be seeing some small margins about of maybe position 1 to 2 or 2 to 3, maybe 2 to 4 yabo. My like if it is like that, and then also like and then another team benefits about like sebulala like competition kanjalo, and then you just kill like into a competition about unfairly. So yeah, I believe we are supposed to fix that. And then yeah, I just want to clap like hands for one Asuna Police had like a brilliant game. And also let's give credit to the one and only Tito, yeah, actually Tito scored the opening goal, which was good technique from him. And that thing about which like my score like I know there are some other Pirates fans that criticize her and stuff, even though but some criticize Ella for like a penalty, but if it didn't score that opening goal, the game wouldn't be open, because Chippa was going to want to like a move available is they actually do, because man left here they have like too much respect for these teams. And if like a team playing against like these big teams, I think that is when even like the players they're supposed to get like the motivation, because you don't even need like some external motivation ukuthi like mozodlala match like perform and stuff. So yeah, man, they're still finding themselves out to keep our corner was poor. And I can't even believe with some of the consequences they were speaking about now we should get to know about it just because of AFCON like performance because the first time I saw ukuthi like people nobody is actually liking it was when they were playing against us when we were playing on a Nedbank Cup. When we were playing a Nedbank Cup, they were actually like not converting about not converting minds when they were playing like Nedbank Cup. There was a time like angazi tingela always like ama-players ethu vele abayithu lapha, and then he was just making pure like decisions. So yeah, and that guy for once he was overhyped. So yeah, let's just give him a players his cards and don't put like from the big teams, especially Pirates in the course. Let's just as fans, let's not put like management and stuff on the pressure. I just want to send that message, and then yeah, thank you.